particular video, you'll see how we can install the Docker in our this Ubuntu machine. Okay, so it's very simple. You just have to go on the official documentation of Docker, and we will search for the install Docker on Ubuntu. Okay, and then we will go on this particular website, and we will open up one terminal here. Just to go, yeah. Now it's fine. Let me increase the size. Yeah. Now if you see here, installation methods, so like prerequisite is what you should have this Ubuntu, like we have already that one. And you will need to uninstall the previous version if you have. So using this command, you can just uninstall the previous version. So here you will need to enter your password, and no package is there, so no installation. Okay, later if you will go below, you will see installation method. You can install Docker engine and firmware depending on your needs. So it is Docker desktop or apt repository or manually. Okay, so we'll be using this apt repository. So first we will be going to run this command. So you can do it. Just paste that command here. Okay, it will update. Okay, next we have to run this command. Okay, let me just clear the screen. Okay, run this command. Good. So just do yes. Okay, next you will need to do this one. So you do first, we'll run this command. Let me complete. Clear the screen. Again, paste that one. Hit enter. Okay. Again, you copy this command. Paste it. Hit enter. Okay. Again, this command. Let me just copy this and paste it here. Okay, good. Okay. Next, what we have to do, you have to just do the equal. Control C and Control V. Okay. And then again, you have to update. Then we'll be using this copy. We'll paste it. It will take 414 MB of space. It will take some time. Then we will finally run the hello world container. Okay. Let's see how much time it takes. So it will take approx 1 minute time again. So here you will see you after running this command, this command downloads the testament, then setting up container. When the container runs, it prints a confirmation message and exit. Okay. So we will do that as well. So 1 minute of approx time. You can just fast forward the video at this point. So if you want to install from the package, you can do that as well. So many methods are there actually. Then if you want to uninstall, you can uninstall like this as well. Okay, it's unpacking everything. Let's wait. Okay, now it's finally done. Now I just clear the screen and run this command. Now to fetch. Okay, so as you can see, hello from Docker, this message so your installation appears to be working correctly. So we have successfully installed Docker in our Ubuntu machine. We want to check the version, you can use like this. So current version we have 23.0.3. Okay. So this is the very like basic thing, like you can do this from the official documentation. Later on, we'll see how we can install the Docker desktop in the Ubuntu machine. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.